Yes. We're there back again with another 5 things video. And today we're going to talk about 5 things where most Jamaicans want for them Christmas. Now before I run the video, I have talked about last year, I talked about the 5 things when no Jamaican want in them barrel. And how I almost massacre me. Especially those from the Spam Lovers Association of Jamaica. I never say so much I love spam. All when I talk about me can't cook and I just because I know how to deal with the spam and them certain why I don't like it. Most Jamaicans like spam as far as me know. But anyway, I say that to say, when you don't attack me, when you hear me talk about the things them. If you don't like them, well that's how it go. So let's go into the video now. 5 things that most Jamaicans want for them Christmas. In a no particular order. Now thing number 1. What do you want there? Of course, most Jamaicans want one barrel for them Christmas. I don't know why, but every Jamaican love a well thought out and well packed barrel. If I even want half barrel, but you hear me now? Don't bother send a half barrel come out here. Because they might not tell you, but them don't like it. They feel away when they send a half barrel. I know say no money. I know say I hear money and people don't tell you what to do with their money. When they send a half barrel come out here, you know Jamaicans stand already, don't. But you hear me now? People will ship the barrel them. Please to write down names and them thing there on the specific something they want for specific people. Because that same barrel, can start a war in our community and in our family, One barrel can make people don't talk to each other for years, And hear me now, please be advised. Don't feel away if you hear from your family members say the barrel out of road and things are sell out tight. Because the things that them don't want, them going to sell it. They're not going to give it away. Them to make a profit after that the barrel left. That same barrel I can use as one garbage bin out of road, especially if I want plastic barrel. And that same barrel for the people out of the country and so forth, I can use to catch water with their name, address, phone number, everything panic. Please be advised of such. Now thing number 2 is a very obvious one. Jamaicans want money for them Christmas because things that we buy and them something. But of course, Jamaicans especially love money transferring. Hey man, a proper money transfer through Western Union or MoneyGram or whichever one they must send the money through. It make a Jamaican Christmas when they get a call from foreign to say, yo, me send anything, listen me. It's a joy to a Jamaican heart when you get that call. If the call come on the 23rd in the night and they know some have to run up and down on the 24th to collect your money. And I don't know, the anxiety that comes with the person standing up inside a Western Union or MoneyGram, not knowing whether or not it's going to go through because I'm not sure they get the information right. They might not have the MTCN and them go in front of the person and the person tell them, say, sir or madam, say the information you get though correct, please go and confirm with the person who send the money. The sense of fretment that will come across your mind when you're not sure if you get the money. It all makes the Christmas time wonderful. Thing number 3, or should I say person, that a God, Jesus Christ himself. Now hear me now, if I never for Jesus, this a Christmas thing would not exist at all, right? Whether I'm born in December or not, we are going to smack Jesus right in the middle, down the center at number 3. Because as you know, Jesus at the center of it all. Hallelujah. Now, I'm telling you something. There are a certain set of people where hunger got church when them born, when them are married, and when them are dead. And in the middle of that, them got church when a Easter, got church when a Christmas morning service, or Christmas Sunday service, and them got church when a New Year. Forget little God in them life. We don't fit up it. Somebody say hallelujah. So Jesus Christ is important people. And that's the reason why him they smack in at the center and why most Jamaicans want God in at them Christmas. Because without God, it don't make no sense. Achoo or achoo? Alright, now thing number 4. Alright, obvious. What is Christmas in Jamaica without food? People want food. People are going to buy food. Hold on there. I just want to take a minute just to stop and big up all of the chefs them in Jamaica. Whether you're homegrown, whether you're first year you cook, whether you do this every single year, big up all of the people that stay in the kitchen and hold it down for all of us, the National Food Nyammers Association of Jamaica members. They don't know so we just chop it down, and make sure say nothing left. You see me bury everything. And you don't know, I just want to give a special shout out to all the rhyme them will die for your cause, all the pig them, all the chicken them and all these things, the accident that is going around without a tail for the Christmas season. Shizzle, you don't know, food is life for Jamaicans around the Christmas time. But stick up in there before me run on for number 5. I just want to talk to all the cook of them out there and them things. Big up on yourself and them things there. You see all the people them, where make style and them things there. You see if you in a malice with a certain person named Jerry and him nephew them, we're going to ask for left out the style making. You see, if your style is stretch out and thin, like the new band know them, we're gonna ask them if you leave the style making alone. Don't be making sorrel and say it is sorrel and we don't taste no spirit in it. That is flavored water. No disrespect to Uno. Alright? Thing number 5. Now when I say number 5, anything could have been number 5 because Jamaicans want a whole heap of things for them Christmas. But you see that one here? That one here crucial, whether I don't love them or not hate them. Now there's a popular wordsmith who wrote these words. Family. And me say, family. Family people important for the Christmas. When I don't love them or not hate them. You can't leave out family out of Christmas. And that's how God said it. Family is crucial. I know about no other holiday. But you see that holiday, yeah? The family link up is important. It's a time for gather around, show say you love each other, share your gifts them and them thing there. Appreciate each other, look out for each other and them thing there. If at the only time of the year people get to do it, family important to Jamaicans. So those are the 5 things when most Jamaicans want for them Christmas. If you don't want to add something else, put it in the comment and them thing there, but we talk about it and war about it as usual.